So a few months ago, I submitted a high severity race condition bug on one of the biggest AI vibe coding platforms. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I found that vulnerability, how I validated it, and overall what was my chain of thought during finding it and exploiting and submitting that bug. So for demonstration purposes, this is the lab I built for you to exactly know what was going on and how it looked like. But first, let me walk you through the entire story of how I found it. So, as I mentioned earlier, this was a site where you'd send prompt for the application that you wanted to build. So, the AI or LLM built the application and then either gave it to you the source code or execute that app on their platform. So, the main agenda of it was to allow users to build applications through vibe coding. So, when I started on that program, I initially tested for their authentication mechanism. So I tested their login pages, sign up pages, and then moved towards IDORs and XSS and broken access control and stuff. And I spent many weeks on it, but still found nothing. So I was very demotivated and wanted to move to another program. But luckily at that time I was doing some Portugal labs on race condition, so I decided why not test it against a live target. So I immediately jumped to their website and started looking around places where there would be a potential for a race condition bug to pop in. So after some time I realized something very important. So the free accounts on their website, and by free accounts I mean those that were not subscribed by a paid plan, those accounts got a daily balance of 5 credits. Every prompt that you send to the AI to build your application or fix a bug, that would at least cost you 1 credit. So I decided to test race condition against that. So just like this one, I have 1 credit in my account, and here's a prompt: build a sleek task manager for remote teams with broad boards, analytics, and invite links. So if I click generate project, it would cost me 1 credit, and here you can see a project has appeared and the AI would start working on it, and after some time give me its whole source code and instructions on how to run this application. So I went to the history tab, and here it's sending the prompt that I typed on the UI. So what I will do here is first of all reset this. So here I have 1 credit left and no projects. So let's turn on the intercept, generate project, repeater. So let's create its copies and within repeater and change the prompts to make sure it makes different applications for each prompt. We'll let you do that. And let's say build a e-commerce store. Okay, so let's add all of these to a group, create. Okay, so now we'll choose this send group in parallel, last by sync, and we'll send those. Here we go. So when we go to the website, refresh it, here you can see we have generated over 5 projects from that same credit that we had left. So we had only 1 credit and we used race condition to generate 5 projects, which we were not supposed to do. So yeah, that was the bug, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, because I'm about to upload some very useful videos and great content in the future. So till then, take care and see you in the next one.